All these teams are generated and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. Today video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams, both risky teams and standard Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Delhi Capitals and Punjab Kings using our beautiful team generator software. So let's analyze the data. So based on that data we will generate the Grand League winning teams. So the first probable playing 11 from both the sides. From the Delhi Capital side will be Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Shimran Atmoyer, Akshar Patel, Lalit Yadav, Kagiso Rabada, Ishant Sharma and Avesh Khan from the Delhi Capital side. And from the Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, P. Singh, Chris Gale, Nicholas Poran, Deepak Hoda, Shahrukh Khan, Harpreet Brar, Chris Jordan, Jale Richardson, Ravi Bishnoi and Mohammad Shami will be the probable playing 11 from the Punjab Kings side. And so let's analyze the top players from both the sides. So the top players from Delhi Capital side will be Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Shimran Atmoyer and Avesh Khan. And from the Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, Chris Gale, Ravi Bishnoi, Harpreet Brar and Mohammad Shami will be the top players from both the sides. So let's analyze the captain potential players according to our software. So the Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith and Rishabh Pant will be the captain potential players from Delhi Capital side. And from the Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, Mohammad Shami and Chris Gale can be considered as a captain potential players. As well as the captain, let's analyze the vice captain potential players as well. So the vice captain players will be Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Shimran Atmoyer and Avesh Khan. And from the Punjab Kings side, KL Rahul, Chris Gale, Ravi Bishnoi, Harpreet Brar and Mohammad Shami will be the vice captain potential players. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch. That means it's going to support for both batting as well as bowling as well. And so the average score will be 154 runs. That means we can expect anything around 300 plus runs out of 40 overs. And so let's analyze some of the specific points in the point of view of our software in order to generate the Grand League teams, risky Grand League teams as well as small league and head-to-head teams. So the points will be, the first point will be in order to get the risky Grand League teams. That means we without analyzing, if you want the teams of risky Grand League teams, that means if you are targeting for 100 below rank in the Grand Leagues, you have to go for 97 to 100 is the credit range. Credit range should be important, that is 97 to 100 will be the credit range. And for a normal standard Grand League teams you can go for 98 to 100, and also small league and head to head leagues you can go for 99 to 100 is the credit range. And so the Delhi Capitals is a stronger team than Punjab Kings for sure. So we most probably Delhi Capitals will be the winning side today. So we can go for 7 players from Delhi Capitals and 4 players from Punjab Kings, as well as 6 players from Delhi Capitals and 5 players from Punjab Kings. So let's analyze the strategy details as well. So the strategy details will be 2 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 1 all-rounder and 4 bowler, and 2 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowler, as well as 3 wicketkeeper, 4 batsmen, 1 all-rounder and 3 bowler, because Nicholas Poran might play. If he plays, you can go with 3-4-1-3 section, 1-3 strategy. If he is not playing, you can go with the alternative thing. And so by using all the data that we have analyzed, let's use our team generator software in order to generate the Grand League teams. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is advanced team generator software. It uses multiple algorithms in order to generate the accurate teams. It supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream11, My Team 11, MPL, My 11 Circle and other applications as well. So first of all, let's click on cricket here. Those who have interest and those who want the details, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. So first of all, let's click on cricket here, and after that we need to click on generate teams, and after that choose fantasy. Here Dream11 is what we are going to choose, and after that choose series. Here IPL is what we are going to choose. and choose type of generation. The first two sections are for those who don't have much knowledge in cricket. If they want just teams, for those guys, these are the two sections for them. And this is the third section. This is a powerful section because we are going to analyze some of the data, and we are going to use some of the data along with the software in order to generate even more better teams. So first of all, let me click on advanced generation section here. And after that, choose the teams. Today match is in between Delhi Capitals versus Punjab Kings, and after that continue. And we need to give the match number because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams will be stored within your device. In order to access those teams in order to check the results, in order to see those teams, you need to give the same match number that you have given previously in order to generate the teams. That's why we need to give the match number of 290 here. You can give any match number, no problem at all. So first of all, after that, click on continue. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. First, let me quickly select at least 6 players from each team. So I am going to select all the 11 players from both the teams. So first of all, let me quickly select the players. Nicholas Poran might play or might not play, that we cannot know. After the toss we will be able to know. And KL Rahul, P Singh, H. Brar, and J. Richardson, Mohammad Shami, Ravi Bishnoi, and Meredith will not play today, and Chris Jordan. And from the Delhi Capital side, Rishabh Pant, Hetmeyer, Prithvi Shah, Steve Smith, Shikhar Dhawan, Lalit Yadav, Marcus Stoinis, Tom Curran, Havesh Khan, Ishant Sharma, Rabada. So these are the players. Another player is there, forgot. Okay, Akshar Patel. So these are the 11 or 22 players that are going to play probably. And after that, continue, and we need to select the fixed player section here. This is a very important section. And for example, if you want to go with the risky teams, you don't have to select any player here. You just leave this section as it is. If you want to go for risky Grand League teams, please listen carefully. If you want to go for risky Grand League teams, you don't have to select any player here. So if you want some of the player, if you want standard Grand League teams, you can go with that. For example, here KL Rahul is in very good form. I think he will definitely play today. But if we are not sure about in IPL, we are not sure about that. So if you want standard Grand League teams, you can select him and continue here. And also Prithvi Shah is also in good form. You can select him. But we are not sure about that way. That's why I'm leaving this section, because in this video I am going to generate the risky Grand League teams. After that, continue. And captain selection, let me quickly select some of the players I feel they are capable of captaining. So these are the players that are capable of captain as far as I concerned. So let me quickly select them. So these are the players that are that can be considered as a captain potential players. After that, let me quickly select the players for vice captain as well. I am going to select almost all the players except few. So these are the captain potential vice captain potential players. And after that, continue. And I have already given you in the slides as well that we are going to favor Delhi Capitals, which is team 2 here. That means we need to select 7 players from team 2 and as well as 6 players from team 2 and the remaining players from Punjab Kings. After that, continue, and we need to give the credit range. Here in this video I said to you that we are going to go with the risky Grand League teams. That's why 97 to 100. The reason why I am telling you that these are the risky Grand League teams, because if everything goes well as expected, then we might get below 100 rank, even the first rank. These are the very powerful Grand League teams. In Grand Leagues, you need to take risk in order to get the first rank, a second rank. If you can't take the risk, you have to forget about the Grand Leagues. And after that, continue here. And we need to give the strategies. I have already given you the strategies as well. 2-4-2-3, 2-4-1-4, and another thing is there, 3 3 4 1 3. These are the 3 strategies, and after that continue, and we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can give any number of teams here, but 11 teams are completely fine. So let me quickly give 11 teams as the number of teams, and after that continue. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. So I hope you guys like this video, and please follow the video. If those who bought the software already taken the software, you can follow this video, and those who are new to this software, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details. You can buy the software, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.